if you're like me, then Valentine's is just such a fun holiday because it's celebrating love, and not just love like romantic, but also just love for your family, friends, whoever it is in your life. And so I love it, and I did go a little bit crazy this year creating some fun Valentine's new stuff, and I'll list them below, but I'll make sure to list this one at the top, and then if you're interested in some other ones, you can just read through the description of what it is. And yeah, I printed everything in this kit. There's 3 pages and 1 backing page. I printed everything on 110-pound cardstock and only printed the backing page on this piece. So yeah, there we go, and we're just gonna get right into it. So these come in the kit as well if you want to layer, because I think this layering looks amazing. I love it. I think it adds so much just to have a little extra border feature, because it creates a little bit of a border. It looks wonderful. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start gluing. I've noticed lately I've been missing my corners a lot, so I need to be better. So this is your reminder to get your corners. And then center it just like that. And go ahead and do the other 2 as well. This year, okay, so I guess this last winter, Christmas season, I created a paper set that just went crazy. It was the North Pole collection, and I got so many wonderful little compliments about it, and it made my day. It made my week, it made my month, it made my year. And it kind of inspired me to create a Valentine's paper set. So I created this Valentine's paper set. And this is a paper in the paper set, this beautiful red checker diamond print. And I created it, and I loved it, and I was like, this has to be like right up there with the North Pole collection paper kit I made. That's what I was thinking. And I loved it, and I listed it, and then I just got, oops, hold on. Sometimes you just gotta reevaluate. That's better. Then I got inspired again, and I made a more pink set, because the first set, this set, was like a red, black, pink kind of set. And then I made this one that was like more bright pinks and some plaid print. And then I was like, oh my goodness, this one's even better than the last one. So that's kind of, I don't know, I love them. I created 2 beautiful paper sets. The pinker one is my favorite out of the 2. And that's just because that's my style. But I thought it was beautiful. Okay, then you're gonna go ahead and lay out kind of where you want your little pockets. I think that looks good for me, so I'm gonna go with that. I'm going to glue the very outside edges of these pockets. Just being careful not to get too much glue. I had a little nozzle that made the glue come out a little slower, and I lost it. And so now I got this. And I'm putting this piece pretty close to the bottom just because, just because the tag in it, I don't want it to overlap too much on the other one. And if you need to, grab the tags and you can decide like, oh, do I want this one in here? And you can decide how tall you want your pockets, because you don't want your pieces sticking out, unless you do, but I do not. So I'm going to be pretty careful just to place the pockets where I want. There are some really, I think Valentine's stuff is so easy to create because there's so much beautiful ephemera out there for Valentine's, especially flowers. I think flowers are probably my favorite thing to ever create with, and so Valentine's is just an excuse to do it more. See? Okay. Also, I do have to say, I don't know if you guys know this, but like the whole AI thing, which is getting really big, like the robots that create, I don't even know how it all works, but they can create essays for you, they can create images, art, all of that. I've seen so much of it lately, and I'm like, really, I don't know, some of it looks kind of weird to me. If you look carefully at some of the images out there, there'll be like these little kids with like 10 fingers on one hand, because it can't quite always get the images right. So it's a little bit creepy, so just be aware of that and don't buy anything that looks creepy. But I also think it can create some really beautiful things, because this rose is AI that I used, and that's AI. I think it's pretty much all used in the kit. Just some of the roses are AI, but I just thought that was interesting. I just try to make sure they still look vintage. That's important to me. So, okay, and then you can go ahead and stuff your pockets with whatever you want, really. And there's some stuff you can use to embellish your tags and stuff. So feel free to do that. A little rivet right there would be really cute. I'm gonna add, I know I saw it somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this little tab on the back of my little clock ephemera. Perfecto. I don't know, what do I want to use? Is that too much red? Or is that just the right amount? I think it's just the right amount. I'll put this right here because I want to mix up a little bit of the red. See, there's some more tags you can use. Whatever you want, just quite a lot fits in here actually. Want that one to be behind. I think a little rose would look nice there. Hanging off the side a little bit. Oh. There. Cute. And that's it. I'm not doing anything to the front because I like her how she is. But we'll just do a quick little walkthrough. You just open it up. And just this fun little explosion of Valentine's themed stuff. And everything fits in the pockets really nice. And it's just so cute. So much cute, lovely ephemera. This is another good one. It's like a love potion bottle or something. I don't know. But this would make a fun tag, or what am I saying? A fun card, I think. Anyways, there it is. And if you want to glue it into a journal, this side's perfect to just glue it in. You can create a closure for it. I like to use these little clips. Oh, and I almost forgot. There's all these words. So you can, that's what I missed. There's all these lovely words that you can add in if you like. I think that would be really cute because it balances out the black there. So I know you thought this video was over, but it's not. I knew I was missing something. Anyways, fun to customize, fun to work with, but there it is. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and we will see you next time.